episode, I will be continuing where I left off from yesterday. I have nothing else to add, so let's just continue. Yeah. Let's.
Hey, Petra. Hey. You okay?
She does not look okay.
I'm glad you came along, even if it did take a bit of persuading.
Oh wait, what? Oh, I pressed the wrong button.
If they made a statue of me, I wouldn't choose that pose. I'd look like this.
Same, all of you. Let's start something with this.
Soren the builder, Magnus the rogue, Eligard the engineer, Gabriel the warrior.
Where's Olivia? There she is. Oh, okay, so we can follow Eligard or Magnus.
Hey, Jesse?
We're following
Yeah?
Eligard.
It's Petra. I don't know. Doesn't seem right. I tried asking, but she...
Sick. It's
Well,
okay.
Maybe she'll talk to you?
I tried talking to her. She wouldn't answer. Let's go through Eligard's tour.
Petra, are you okay? I'm sorry. I don't mean to worry you. I've just got something I want to discuss with you in private.
Fair enough.
But let's split up.
That's fair. I mean, you know, obviously everyone else doesn't have to know, and she apparently trusts Jesse enough to, you know, tell her in private. So there's another achievement.
I feel bad about ditching everyone else, but I just wanted to talk to you about this alone. It's a little tough to talk about. It'll be fine. Thanks for being so understanding.
Of course. I actually do need to get around to drawing
You got
the
me away
thumbnail
from the
because
Wither
I know I
Stone.
said yesterday I would.
But
well,
I'm worried that I
no,
didn't get away soon
yesterday,
enough.
I mean, this morning I said I would, and I just never did. But yeah, see, she's got sickness.
It showed up not too long after you saved me.
Ooh, with
What
the
happened?
sickness.
The Wither made you sick? Do you know what Wither is? The Wither? Of course, we've been no, Jesse. Just Wither, or Wither sickness, I guess.
Yeah.
And I feel like it's just gonna keep getting worse. Well, we're going to go back
I mean,
and tell the
I
others.
like how they made.
We can get help.
Petra,
You
this
can't tell
tough,
anyone about
you know, this
this.
tough character.
Creeper!
But like she still felt like
Grab my
she
hand,
had
pull
to
you up.
tell. You know, she still had to tell somebody how she felt, and she saw.
Jesse, I just couldn't...
You know, she saw
I'm
Jesse as the
sorry.
right person to say.
Jesse? Hey, you're the one that's sick. Take care of yourself first. I'll be okay. Okay, I got this. Stay safe. I'll find a way down to you.
We'll be fine. But yeah, as usual, I think I'll do about half an hour, 40 minutes. See where I get. And then if I finish this episode today, then you know, obviously episode 3 comes next. But yeah, like I said in episode 1 and then the start of episode 2, I don't remember where episode 2 ended, so yeah. I mean, it took a bit over an hour to finish episode 1 and the second part, so hopefully it's around, you know, the same time for this one, because they're all roughly close to 2 hours. But you know, it depends on I'd say about an hour and a half, but it could also definitely depend on, you know, the person playing it. But we're in a library of sorts. Let's go this way. Oh, I was gonna say if it is possible to go this way, but looks like it is. There's Ivor.
He must have something useful in here. He has to.
Hey! Show yourself! Who's there?
Very obvious who it was.
You. Trying to interfere with my plans
you
again,
know,
I
she
see.
and the others knew.
Your tenacity is commendable, yet misguided.
Knew Ivor
I
was
found the
going
rest of
there.
the
She
order.
saw the amulet in
What
the
good will
lab.
that do?
I'm here with the order to find Soren Super TNT. We are going to take down your Witherstorm.
The order? Believe me, that plan will blow up in their faces in more ways than one. They cannot help you. But me? I choose not to.
Fair enough.
Out of my way.
Wait, but I... Oh, you're not going anywhere.
Petra, you escaped?
She's mad.
Ah! Foolish girl!
Shut up. I don't care what you have to say.
I mean, at least she's using, you know. the
I'm not
armor,
letting you leave
affected.
either. Good.
I'm the only
Okay,
one who can stop
so
the Wither
it kind
Storm!
of looks
Not
like
you!
where it
Got
prompts
the
me to
order!
press RT
Don't make yourselves the villains in my story.
that it works with LB instead. So hopefully if that is the case, I know what to press next time.
You're not going anywhere.
Ah!
We're just bullying him at this.
This could have all been avoided. If
I
you
do
want to
know
stop me,
pulls up
you'll have to catch me
Yeah.
first.
Jesse, look out! You're not getting out of here that easy, Ivor.
I'm like the wind!
I mean, we tried.
Out of my way!
Which,
I'll cut through you if I had to!
okay, yeah, it's definitely LB that works
tempt
instead.
your fate.
I'll just there we go. Kinda. I wonder where
You
the
didn't
others
have to
are.
go this
Yeah.
way, Jesse. You could have just let me go. Now you see me! Now you...
Okay.
It's one of his invisibility potions. He could be anywhere. Vanish all you want, slime ball. You're still not going anywhere.
Now he's trying to help.
End of the rail, Ivor. We're not letting you get away with this.
I mean, there's plenty of time for him to have snuck away.
This one's on you, you puffed up fool!
There was all that space for him to sneak out and he still
There's no
wanted to challenge
time for
the
this.
two.
Jesse!
There
Petra!
they are.
Even more of you? Will this parade of useless babblers never cease?
What's going on?
We found Ivor. We stopped him. Jesse did, anyway.
Well,
False. You have stopped nothing. A query. Have you ever seen the effects of a splash potion of slowness?
What?
yeah. Well, we certainly did stop him.
Magnus and Ellegard may think they can stop me, that they can destroy the Wither Storm, but they are mistaken, and it will cost them their lives.
I mean, it costs blood. life of one of them. Really? Okay, what? It's been 10
In pursuit of
minutes.
answers, all our heroes
wow,
found
okay.
in
If I had
Soren's armory was deceit and treachery.
If I
Locked
had
in a
known,
dark chamber deep in Soren's mountain, as the Order of the
that
Stone
episode
rides
2
off towards near certain doom,
was just
our
going
heroes
to,
must
I
ask
would have only had to
themselves,
do 10 minutes.
would they find a
I would
way
have
out of this
so
dark
totally have
tomb?
recorded episode 2
Is there any way to
one
cure Petra's
video.
wither sickness?
and
Would they find a way to defeat
I know,
the wither storm?
I could
Or will they
record episode
remain
3
trapped
now,
as it continues its
start that.
ravenous rampage
But
across
I
the
think it'd just
entire
be a lot
world?
easier to do, you know, what I've been doing, and record
Only
them,
time
you know,
will tell.
episode each. So, you know, 2 has its own videos and so on and so forth. But yeah, if I had known I literally had to do 10 more minutes, I would have so just done it. But I remember the whole potion, splash potion of weakness. But I genuinely forgot that, you know, the last scene was literally just them being stuck, and wow. Anyways, this is the screen card for episode 3, the last place you look, and then following that will be the black card place, Order Up, a portal to mystery, access denied, and finally a journey's end. So as you can see from episode 6 onwards, we're in a portal hallway. That will be explained a bit. You know, they get stuck there, and they go through various portals to try and get home. But yeah, wow, okay. That was a short episode, I think. When I do start episode 3, you know, I might actually just do half an hour to avoid another, and I know I'm babbling on, but to avoid another, just a 10-minute freaking. I do think that was funny though. But yeah, anyways, as I usually say, if you've liked this video and you want to see more of this series or just best of my content in general, make sure to like and subscribe, as it is free, and you can always change your mind if you feel like my content is not for you. That is okay, I don't mind. I'm just a small YouTuber, and people have their preferences, but until